Hello friends, it's me Asir Intasir Shaiket. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. This is a short video for give you a small warning about December and January trading. This December and January is a very difficult time for the Forex trader, even all the other traders also. There are many reasons behind it. Maybe I cannot explain everything today, but I will explain those things one day. I make this video small because today I have a very high pressure day, so I cannot make this video long. Many traders lose money in December and January. Even some good traders, they also lose money in December and January. They make profit all the other months, even in the whole year, but in December and January they lose their all the profit with the balance. I also do not trade too much in December and January. From my 8 years of Forex trading experience, I saw that December 10 to January 15, these 35 days, it's a very difficult time for the Forex. Most of the traders lose money in this time, and also in this time market condition it's a little bit different from the other months. So I try to avoid this time for trading. So if you do not understand the market properly, better you need to stop your trading. You have 10 other good months for the trade. Last year I visit Cyprus, Limassol, and Limassol is a place, or I think is a capital of Forex, because all the broker head office you will get it in the Limassol. Even in the MetaQuartz, who is the company for the MT4 and MT5, it's also there. So I visit some broker head office and also the MT4 head office in Limassol. I have a good relationship with them, so they show me a few traders trading system and also the traders profit and lose ratio. There I saw that traders lose most of the money in the December and January. So in one normal broker, I saw that trader lose all the other months $1 million to $1.5 million. But in December and January, they almost lose 4 times more than the other month. They lose their almost $3.5 to $4.5 million in this month. So December and January is a little bit different from the other months, so you have to be careful with the trading, and also you need to give extra focus with the trading. And if you don't understand the market, you can stop your trading, and also you should follow your proper money management and also the lot management. So I hope you understand and you will give some extra focus with your trading. And this is for today. Bye. Have a good day.